Well, we are getting a press conference from Nepal, and this could be related to the gang rape case that has emerged from Gurgaon. Let's just quickly listen in.
30 years. She belongs to Bagalung district, Galkot Hatia BDC, ward number 5. Her spouse name Mohan Pariyar. And the second, she is Sita Limbu. She is 50 years. And her address is Morang district, Belwari BDC, ward number 7. Her son's name is Ratna Limbu. These are the information we have already got about this matter.
Sita is from Biratnagar.
Yeah. This Sita Limbu is from Biratnagar. Morang is Biratnagar. Morang district is Biratnagar. Belwari BDC, ward number 7.
So, what information has the Indian government given you?
Local police, they are under investigation, and till this investigation is on, local police authorities, they are framing, establishing the case, and until they finalize the case, in this investigation phase, it will not be good to say anything more than that.
So we are being told that the accused is a first secretary in the Saudi embassy. Well, we do understand investigations are on, but will you be taking this issue up with the embassy itself? They are denying these allegations as of now.
No, we don't know actually, because who is the owner, who is the persons in that home. Actually, we don't know officially. The investigation will be over, and definitely will be the police let us know about the exact position of the house owner, the house dwellers who were there. Till now, we can't say nothing about this.
So officially you're saying you don't know whether it's a Saudi diplomat?
No, that is not so case. We don't know whether he is a diplomat or non-diplomat. We don't know actually.
And so would you want the diplomatic immunity to be waived off if he committed the crime?
No, if it is upon the outcome of the investigation, you see. If the outcome will come on this arena, then definitely we'll go to the procedure, we'll go to the international rules, whatever it is, it may be.
So what is the police saying? Have they established the crime, as in have they established that rape was committed, and what are the girls saying?
Yeah, we are looking at the matter, and they are, I think, framing the charge sheet. They have the FIR registered, and they are framing the charge sheet. After the investigation, I think they will police let us know, and media also will know definitely what is the actual case.
So will the victims be with maybe India till the time investigations are on, or will they be returned to Kathmandu prior to that?
It depends upon the case, you see, because it is a court case also. After the order of the court, it depends upon the order of the court here.
So have you reached out to the Saudi embassy?
So have you spoken to the Saudi ambassador?
No, not at all. Actually, we don't know whether it is a case of any embassy person or not. That's why now this is not the situation we have to talk to anyone.
So what is the condition of the two girls right now, and their statements have been recorded? Are you meeting the Gurgaon Police Commissioner personally yourself?
No, we are in contact. We are in contact with the local police also, and I think they are called the Gurgaon police officer.
Police commissioner.
Yeah, police commissioner.
So what has the MEA assured you? Have they given you a timeline as to by which they will get back to you about the details of the case?
No,
because still it's very vague.
No. I see. You see, it is up to the police investigation. They will frame the charge sheet, and investigation is over. Then only the situation will be clear. Then we'll be in contact with MBA also, if it is needed. Otherwise, simply because these type of cases there are many cases right in NCR area. This is not a single case. Many cases where we have to do like this, rescue some Nepali, especially the citizens here.
So can you share the details as to these girls were here only after the Nepal earthquake? What is their condition now, sir? Are they being provided medical facilities?
Have you met them? Have you spoken with them?
Yeah, I have spoken with them also, and you know, Mighty India is taking care of them, and they are in a not any bad condition, I think, because normal condition they are in home.
Sir, so much will depend on whether rape and sexual harassment can be established. Has the police said anything about that to you? Has that been established? Because only then can the MEA go to the Saudi embassy and ask for the revocation of the immunity of this particular diplomat.
No, it's a very, very sensitive case. According to the investigation, if it is a case which you are mentioning, then everything will be done under the procedure.
So the medical would have been done. So in the medical report, has rape been established?
They have charged it. They have charged it under various sections of IPC, such as IPC 376D, 376, 3. Yeah. So I think it's established.
It's charge sheet or FIR? It's a charge sheet or an FIR, sir?
It's a FIR.
It's an FIR.
सुनिए यहाँ के प्रहरी गुड़गांव के प्रहरी अनुसंधान कर रहा है, पुलिस FIR देने के बाद में चार्जशीट पे फ्रेम कर रहे हैं। इसको जैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन के केस पूरा होने के बाद में वो जैसे हमको भी सूचना करेंगे, मीडिया को भी सूचना करेंगे कि ऐसे मामला है।
लड़कियां आपसे मिली हैं, विक्टिम्स हैं, उन्होंने क्या बताया? पूरा सीक्वेंस क्या बताया? कैसे कब से वो कन्फाइंड थी? किस तरह से लोगों ने पूरा इस घटना को अंजाम दिया?
नहीं, करीब 4-5 महीना से, देखिए 4-5 महीना से जैसे वो लोग नेपाल छोड़ के आई थी, इतना बात हमको मालूम अभी हुआ है। इसके बाद में जैसे अभी पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, अनुसंधान के बाद में सारी बात जैसे सामने आ गई।
उन्होंने क्या बताया? किसके थ्रू यहाँ आई थी? तो यहाँ
वो तो है, वो तो देखिए, वो तो खैर उन्होंने नेपाल में जो भी संपर्क के माध्यम से ऐसे उन्होंने बताया है। अब नेपाल में भी अनुसंधान होगा, भारत में भी अनुसंधान होगा। इट्स ए वेरी वेरी सेंसिटिव केस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस।
ये लोग बाकायदा
Nepal's envoy to India stating that they're waiting for the investigations to get over and then only they would be able to take the next step. They are in constant touch with the Ministry of External Affairs, who have also sought a detailed report from the police who are investigating the case in Gurgaon.